Good morning, keep going community. Welcome to episode 6 of Let's Make a Sticker. Today's inspiration comes from being chill. I did a lot of yoga, a lot of meditating this morning. I feel pretty chill even though I'm listening to some Sum 41. I'm getting amped back up again. But I think the idea for today is gonna be chill, maybe like a chill pill or something. Maybe it's like a pill is like breaking open and like chill is coming out. I think that we'll do that. I think that would be pretty fun. Go ahead and get our timer going. It's again 15:23, you guys. Keep it funky. So we got our timer going. And okay, so I'm just gonna start by saying chill. And we still have the same font from yesterday. So we're gonna go ahead and change this up a bit. I'm thinking that looks kind of cool. We'll just go with this for now. And maybe like that big. So we're gonna start by creating the 1/2 or the both halves of the pill here, and I'm just gonna do this by making a circle and then some rectangles, and we'll just line this up like that. Something right there, this should be pretty good. That looks good. And I'm thinking something kind of like red pill, blue pill type stuff. So we'll go blue there, and then we'll go blue there, and that looks pretty good. So let's just go ahead and we won't rasterize that. Let's just link it, and we'll copy it. We'll copy both of them, drag those up there, make sure those are linked together too, and then we'll have it like something like this. Like it's breaking open and then chill is like spilling out. And then maybe that's above that. Something like that maybe. I think that could work, but I'm not exactly sure how that would turn out with our time crunch we're on. So I think we're just gonna do a straight up chill pill, something like this, and then we'll take chill right up here to the top. Boom! Right there in the middle. Let's move all this over here. And then I actually don't like this font. Let's go and let's do something that's like that looks cool. I like that. And I like that it's all lowercase. Okay, cool. So we got that. Let's go ahead and we'll make this half red. Let's yellow up in here. That looks pretty cool. Okay. So we do chill right there. Maybe we'll split chill right down the middle. Yeah. I think that's pretty good. I'm feeling pretty chilled out by my music right now, to be honest. We just need a good dose of Rise Against. So I think, having some kind of like reflection on here would be cool. Like it's like because plastic can give off kind of a shine. So we're gonna try like emulating that here. So give it like a nice little shine here like that, or something. Yeah, I think we'll do it like right there. And let's just go look at what like pills look like. Pill. Yeah, so they have like a little sheen on it. Ooh, that one's like got some texture to it. That's kind of cool. And it's got like this little overlap. I like that. That's really funny. Brain pill. Chill pill. Inspiration. Okay, cool. So what I think we'll do is we'll go ahead and make like a little square right here. We'll make this white. And then, you know what, we'll do a little funkiness like this. We'll just drag that in, drag that in, drag that down, something like that. Something like that. And then we'll just go ahead and add the 30% opacity to that. Sure, why not? I think this one, we'll make this one just like a little bit bigger. Not that much bigger, just a little. Yep. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We'll go ahead and add a drop shadow to that. And then we'll just bring this ellipse above that. And let's see. You know what we're gonna do? We're going to combine these two, merge shapes, and we'll add a drop shadow. And then we'll just merge these shapes as well. And then we'll also add a drop shadow to that. So we got chill, pill. Okay, this looks okay. It's it feels a little basic right now. So let's just figure out how we can like spice this up a bit. Okay, even just like changing the color makes it look a little bit better. So we'll just do that. I already like that a lot more. Let's go back, look at this. Maybe we can do like a little emboss on it or something like that. Maybe we'll actually bring more like saturation into this because that looks pretty super flat. And this guy, let's go and do like a bevel and emboss. Maybe we'll do like a outer, nope, inner bevel. Oops. Something like that. How much time do we have left? We have 7 minutes left. Yeah. I don't know, you guys. I don't feel super inspired by this, to be honest. It looks kind of cool. What if we put some like pictures back here or something? So let's go to Unsplash. Let's say, let's just type in drugs. Let's see what pops up. And then lots of, that's kind of cool. This one's really trippy. So let's go back. Well, let's find like another one. And I like that. That's cool. So we'll go here. We'll go find our downloads folder. We'll drag in. We'll go 2 downloads. Right here. It actually looks like really, really cool. Both of these look really cool. I like this a lot. So since this one's, you know, bluish, we'll put it there. And this one's gonna go over here, something like that. Yep. And here we go. We're just gonna add a little mask to this. And then this one, little boom, and then we'll add that mask. Pow, boom, boom, pow. And then we'll drag chill up above that. Let's drag these up. So I think I'll do some like blending mode on these or something. Okay, darken. That was easy. Darken looks cool. Okay. I feel like something else needs to happen to this. Let's maybe do like a screen on this. Do a screen on that. How does that look? Lighten. Let's just comb through, see how it looks. Okay, whatever. We'll just leave it on like screen for now. Does that change anything? No? Alright, let's go back. So chill pill looks pretty cool. I like the idea of like adding a border, well, like adding a border around it for sure, but like adding a border with like a bunch of like text in the background or something like that. I think that would be really cool. So we'll expand it by, let's do like, expand it by 30. Yep, that's perfect. And then we'll go, and then we'll, oh no, what did I just do? What is that? I don't know what that is. Okay, so what is that? What is going on? New layer. Okay, I just did something. I don't know what I did. Okay, so that looks cool. Then yeah, let's just get that text going back there. How much time do we have? We got plenty of time. Let's find like a text generator of emotions. Random emotion generator. We're getting really deep here, you guys. How many? Let's do like 32. Unique, yeah. These are a lot of. Okay, let's do like 64. These are good. I like these. Anticipation, madness, satisfaction. Those are all the words that we get for emotion. So we'll just copy and paste everything in there. And then, uh-oh, you guys. This is, uh-oh. Okay. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Okay, I'm freaking out because I have to go through and like delete these like spaces and stuff. Oh, no. Ah! Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna get it. Happiness, disappointment, joy, pride, gratitude, terror, smugness, boredom, pity, shame, contentment, contempt. Fury, satisfaction. Sick. Let's just copy all those. How do I make this into like a... Guys, I forget. How do I make this into a convert to paragraph text? There we go. Okay. Look at how long this thing is. Jeez. Yeah, this looks good. We'll just go something like this. Because I want it pretty tight in there, you know? I want it to be pretty like, damn. Pretty crazy. So we'll just copy a bunch of these. and then we're gonna turn it like this. And then, you know what, we're gonna make this smaller. Yeah, we're gonna do something like that. Control C, Control V, V, and then okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and rotate this a little bit so that you can hopefully read like more of it. And then how much time do we have? Oh, oof. Okay. Oof, 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 oof. Copy that. We'll go ahead, rasterize that. We will mask that. Drag this down. Drag this down. Drag this down. Drag this down. And I think that we made it, you guys. That is it. That's that's a timer, you guys. Last little thing, just clean that up. All right, that's it. That's our chill pill sticker. It started out pretty chill, then it grew into this. Yeah, pretty cool, I think. Definitely a lot of meaning behind it, of course. And so yeah, I think it's interesting. I think it's cool how it turned out. Oh, you know what? We lost our little rectangle thingy over here. I think that's that layer that I changed. Shoot. That's okay. So yeah, okay. That's it, you guys. You know, it feels good to do something creative every day. Kind of just like release and get that creativity out there, gets your brain thinking, gets me jazzed. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Let's Make a Sticker. Make sure to tune in tomorrow to see what we create tomorrow. I have no idea what we're going to create tomorrow. I had no idea what we were going to create today. You know, we just figure it out and we have fun while we do it. But hope you guys have a great day. Remember, keep doing, keep trying, stay awesome, keep going, and I'll see you on the next one.